Makeup by Zinzile.
Hi everyone, my name is Zinzile Moabi and welcome to my first ever video. Welcome to my channel. So guys, I'm super excited to be doing this video today because it is my first and I just want to take you guys on this YouTube journey with me. So I think it's only fair that I tell you a little bit about myself. I am a makeup artist and I've been doing this for a while. I think I've been doing it for free actually for all my life, and I've finally gotten to the point where I've actually decided to turn it into a business. So this is really a dream come true for me. I absolutely love makeup. I love sharing my skills and the little bit of knowledge that I have of the beauty industry. So I'm really happy to take you guys along with me on this beauty journey. Guys, please, y'all have to come to my page. You guys have to visit my channel. Every time I have something going, it'll be really awesome. You guys subscribing and liking. I'm just ready for all the love because I got so much love to give myself. Okay, so of course, okay, I don't want to like keep you guys for too long. Okay, so you guys need to tune in and wait to see how I got all of this done. And of course, like I said earlier on, keep the space open because I swear I'm going to be bombarding you guys. I'm coming for everything, okay? So tonight's look is literally an evening look that is sort of smoky with a nice, cute little flirty lip, and I got the hair. Woo! I need to mention this, guys. This over here, all of this was sponsored by Shara Hair. So big ups to the ladies from Shara. Thank you so much for the hair. It's just amazing. It's perfect, guys. Like I know right now I'm fleeking, guys. But nonetheless, thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. And yeah, stay tuned to find out how you get this evening look over here.
So first things first, guys, you begin with a clean, moisturized face. I then start with my Palladio Herbal Foundation Primer. I dot it all over my face, give it a good rub into my skin on top of all the areas where all my product will sit. This will ensure that it stays on all day and all night. I always start off with my eyebrows as I feel the eyebrows are the focal point of the face. So I use my Essence eyebrow liner in Lucky Lead to line the bottom of my eyebrow as well as the top, just following the natural shape of my eyebrow. I then just use a spoolie brush just to blend the hair as well as the eyebrow liner together for a more natural look. I'm using an angled eyebrow brush with my favorite concealer, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I just dab it on my brush very lightly and follow the natural line under my brow and blend it into my eyelid, and I repeat the same step with my upper brow. So I don't use a different color there. I find that using the same concealer works just as fine, girl. I find often that the best sponge is your fingers. So I'm using the little leftover LA Girl Pro Conceal just to put it all over my eyelids, just to waken up my eyelids a little bit, and it also serves as an awesome primer for my eyeshadow step. As you can see over here, it's also really awesome to use your fingers to blend in between your brows as well as above your brow. Do a little victory dance because you know you're that good, girl. Just a final dab here and there with my fingers. Then I'm going to use my mini beauty blender just to blend out the concealer a little better into my skin. We don't want to look scary, okay? We don't want to look scary. Yes, and now this is the fun part. Okay, I'm using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm using a color that doesn't really look the same as the picture I put up, but you get the point. This works great as a transition color. It's almost like a red brick. This is awesome just to lay the foundation of the color building step that's going to come up next. what's really awesome about this palette that I love so much is that it's very light, so it gives you the opportunity to build the color on to the intensity that you want. Okay, so it's kind of light right now, but I want it a little darker because we're doing evening. So once I've laid the transition color, this is my absolute favorite palette. It is a Morphe palette that they did with Jaclyn Hill. She's one of my favorite makeup artists as well, and this palette is so pigmented, you guys. I just love the way the color works. So I'm just going to use a mixture of the charcoal and black just to kind of set the tone for the evening look. As you can see, I kind of start somewhat in the crease, but I am working towards my eyebrow area because you really want it to look smoked out. And now guys, I'm using my Essence eyeshadow primer. This is like really awesome. You can use the same brush that you used for your eyebrows just to somewhat put it in the inner corners of your eyelids. And I will then use my Jaclyn Hill palette for this chocolate brown eyeshadow shade, and I'm going to lay it nice and thick right on top of that primer, and the primer kind of helps it to stay together and not look cakey as the day goes by. So this is an awesome way to keep your eyeshadow in place, guys. That primer is the word, okay? It is that good. Yo, guys, I discovered these wet wipes. They're amazing, okay? They're created by a company called T-Zone, and yes, they are black in color. I'm just gonna use this to remove all the excess black and brown dust from the eyeshadow from under my eyes. And guys, these wet wipes, yo, they smell amazing. Okay, they're that good. They also have some charcoal and bamboo extract in them, so they're really good for your skin. So guys, I've tried a million liquid liners, and this is definitely my favorite and definitely the most affordable I've ever tried. It is the Essence liquid liner. I'm using normal tape. It doesn't have to be branded. Any regular tape in your house will do. I just kind of line it on my top eyelid. I never use liquid liner on my bottom eyelid. It definitely doesn't work. I don't know, unless you got alien eyeballs, okay? But for me, it's perfect for my upper eyelid, and the tape is there just to guide me through it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is basically peel the tape off, guys, and then you have the perfect mini wing liner. I swear, it's that good. Oh! So guys, I'm using the exact same Eyebrow Pro Conceal as I used for my eyebrows, just to put under my eyes. This is a great way to brighten up your eyes and wake you up a little bit. Once again, I'm using my God-given sponges, my fingers, to pat it into my eyes. Okay, pat, pat, pat. So guys, pinky goat lashes are the place to be. Get yours, boo. Okay, just putting them on my eyes. I will do an eyelash tutorial soon. And I'm also using my absolute favorite mascara, Maybelline's Great Lash, still an all-time favorite. Now for my foundation step, I'm using L'Oreal True Match in the color Cappuccino, dotting it all over my face for even coverage. Girl, it's so good. I'm blending it using a beauty blender, using the exact same concealer for my under eyes just to highlight the areas where the light touches. So under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my T-zone area, my chin, and you'll see now how I actually highlight my cheeks as well. So there's like a little line that I kind of add there, just to kind of give my cheeks a little definition. They're looking a little round and chubby lately. Nobody want a chubby cheek, okay? But don't want a chubby cheek, okay? So like I said, guys, doing it like from the, or rather down the bridge of your nose, it's an awesome way to kind of slim down your nose a little bit. I heard someone recently say you gotta snatch that nose like it's got some good credit. Okay, take that as you will. But these are awesome areas to place your concealer, to make sure that whenever you take pictures all night, at least the light is hitting the right places. You know what I'm saying? Look at that girl. We gotta sculpt those cheeks. Nobody wants a chubby cheek. Guys, very important, blending. Okay, so I'm using my Ben Nye luxury powder. I'm just gonna pat this into the areas where I've just concealed my face. And guys, the point here is just to wait. Iti vutwe man, let it bake, girl. So I'm using my Bobbi Brown stippling brush just to remove all the excess powder from my face. So guys, I'm just very quickly contouring here with my LA Girl Pro Contour Cream. If you want me to do a tutorial on contouring, leave me a comment. I'm using my LA Girl blush and then using my LA Girl Strobe Light strobing powder. Okay, it's a great highlight as well, guys. I mean, y'all can see, just look at that ray of sunshine. Okay, do you see the pot of gold at the end of the tunnel? Okay, I don't think that's the saying, but hey, it looks good. Alright, it looks really good. So give it a good generous rub in over there. I always feel like I don't have enough. I want some more. So I'm gonna add some more onto my face because ngithanda izinto okusalayo. So just to give this look a nice sultry evening feel, I'll be using my LA Girl matte lipstick. I'll also put this product in the description box so you know exactly which type of red I used. Alright guys, this thing is having so much sauce. It's just so saucy. Okay, just look at that. Look at that. I honestly need to give you guys just a final pout. I mean, look. I'm setting my face using my L'Oreal Infallible powder, and yes, look at that, oh my word, guys, I had so much fun making this video with you guys. Once again, a huge shout out to the ladies from Shara Hair. Another shout out to my girl Dumi. You hooked your sister up with the studio. Guys, let me know in the comments, could you rock this during the day? Food for thought. What are you thinking? Let me know. But please, guys, ignore the dancing first things first. Okay, just ignore me doing victory dances. Okay, but like and subscribe my page. I'll definitely be bringing you guys some really awesome content. And stay tuned for this look next week, ladies. Same time, same